Schoolie, I'm back. Before we get started, you have to like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell. Guys, we are too big. There are no excuses while we cannot tie our shoes. So for today's presentation, we're going to be learning about tying our shoes. Do you guys hate when your mom and your dad have to tie your shoes? I don't like that. So, today's presentation, we're going to be learning about tying our shoes. So, let's get started. You have not graduated being the cool kid until you can tie your shoe. I learned how to tie my shoe on YouTube videos, and my dad's wrong. But he told me how to do it hands-on. Before you learn how to tie your shoe, you need to know your right foot and your left foot. Before you put your shoes on, you need to learn the side that dips goes on the inside. The side that dips like this, so it looks exactly like this foot. So I'll probably put this shoe on this foot. So let me show you that. Wait, there we go. So this side dips like this. So it has the exact dip like this foot. So I'll probably put this shoe onto this foot. Let me do that. There do it. And there we go. Every time you put on your shoe, you're gonna put your tongue up like this, like so. I'm gonna teach you guys two ways: around your finger or bunny ears. Okay, first we're gonna start with bunny ears, so let's get started. So you're gonna make a crisscross, and you see this shoelace right here? You're gonna put this shoelace under this hole and pull tight. Pull tight. Okay guys, we're gonna do it one more time. Let me show you. X, this shoestring down into this hole. You're gonna tie. Alright guys, this is the next part. So you have to make two bunny ears, and then you're going to crisscross them, put this one under this hole, and then pull. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. Let's get started. So we're going to make two bunny ears, and then we're going to make an X of the bunny ears, and then we're going to put this bunny ear under this hole. And then pull. Two bunny ears, easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We're gonna do the around finger tie. It's kind of complicated, so pay attention. Okay guys, let's get started. So you're gonna make an X, put this little string tie under here, and then pull. Okay guys, one more time, and then we're gonna make an X, put this shoestring under here, and then pull. Alright guys, pay close attention. So you're gonna make one bunny ear, and you're gonna wrap it around your finger, and you see this hand right here? You're gonna push it through, and when you push it through, you take it loose, and then pull. Alright guys, one more time. So you're gonna make a bunny ear, take this little shoestring around there, and you're gonna take this finger, push it through, and then pull. Easy. Alright guys, this is the last bunny ear, so pay attention. Okay, you're gonna make an X, put this shoestring under here, and then tie it like this. And then you're gonna make two bunny ears, just two. And then you're going to crisscross them like this, crisscross like that, Then you're gonna put this one under here. And then when you do that, you're gonna pull. Peace. Oh, I forgot, guys. Stay tuned to the end of the video if you guys want to see some financial literacy, breaking news, and more of the videos. And remember, no excuses. And remember, school is school. Peace. Alright guys, here's the breaking news. This is for the parents out there. Alright guys, Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine is killing people, guys. Okay guys, make sure that the vaccine is safe for you and your family. I wish everybody good health and stay safe. Alright guys, we're going to get started with some financial literacy. Go, Mommy!
Okay, so y'all can't see me, but I'm here. And he wants me to read them today. He's going to tell you guys the answer. Let's see how good he's been studying his financial literacy tips. Alright. Maybe I am going to pay the camera a little visit. So here I come. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on, guys. Here I come. Okay. And here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so it says, oh, you can't see. That's cheating. Don't look. Look in the camera. You gotta look in the camera. Don't look at me. It says goods. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Goods or services required to survive are called
Needs.
Good job. Don't look. Don't cheat. Goods or services that you desire but don't need are called
What?
They're called what?
What?
Good job. And then don't read. Don't look. Why are you trying to cheat? The last one is a number based on how well you pay back your debt is called what?
A credit card.
No, it's not called a credit card.
What?
Don't try because you're trying to cheat. A number based on how well you pay back your debt is called what?
A credit score.
What? A credit?
A credit score.
It's called a credit score.
Why'd you make me have to cheat?
Well, because you didn't know it. All right, guys. Hold on a second. Peace.
Alright, guys. The word of the video is caring. C-A-R-I-N-G. Caring. Okay, I have my friend Briggs here. He's going to be a student, and I'm going to teach him what caring means. Caring means displaying kindness and concern for others. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn the notification bell. And comment me down below. I want to see how you guys think about it. Peace.